Hello, this is a short on how to convert CSV file, common separated value file, into a file that QUCS can display on the graph so you can visualize what you've taken in the lab against what the calculation or whatever reason you want to do these two graphs against each other. So first you have to have a CVS file. So let's create one. You have to select a wave that's already been plotted, come up to projects, go to export to CVS. We're going to this file. Here it is right here. I've already done that. I'll do it again. Save. It's going to ask me to overwrite. I'm going to say yes. Overwrite. It does. Let's go to that file to look at it. I'm using my File Explorer. This is where I have my QUCS installed on my E drive. And there it is right there. We'll open it up with an editor and Notepad. Here it is right here. Now this top line has to be deleted. So you'll delete it, then save this, and then move everything up. Save as an alternate file in the same directory. I'm going to call it alternate file. Save. Now we got rid of that. You'll get an error if you don't do that. So here it is right here. There's my CVS file I just created. So now I go to import, export files. I browse to that file. This is it right here. I just created. I open it up. Now I select what kind of data set I'm going to have. And here's where you can set that up. I just want it to be a QUCS data set. So I leave that over. I hit convert. Successfully converted file. But where is that file? Well, I'll show you. It is in the hidden directory of your QUCS. That is on mine. I go to my C drive. Where it is? There it is. I go to users, administrator, .QUE, and everybody in QUCS. The dot before the QUCS makes it a hidden file. You can't see this file unless you set the properties of this to show the hidden files. This is the hidden file. I double click it. Now I am in the RC circuit project. It put it into the project that I'm in. And then I'll find the alternate data file right here. That's the file you'll bring in to display against your other files. I hope that helps. Thank you. Please go to our Lab Rats Engineering and Electronic Tutorial YouTube channel. Put that into your search engine. Click on the link. This channel will come up. As you can see our videos that we have up to 31 different videos currently. We're always increasing our video count so that you can learn something. Or you can list our videos here. As you can see, there's several. You can do our playlist, post, see what we're watching, see who's sponsoring us. You can click on the More button. You'll get our mission statement of what our purpose is and what we're trying to accomplish. A link to our webpage where you can buy all kinds of cool stuff from the GEEK shop and used and new test equipment. You can help replenish our coffee fund by donating. We'll take any kind of donations. We have Jamico Electronics. That's where we buy our parts and some of our kits that we make. And then NextPCB. It's our sponsor. They have the answer to all your PCB needs.